In this video tutorial, we will show you how to redirect Outlook emails to other email addresses. Launch Microsoft Outlook. In the Home tab, click on Rules, and in the pop-up menu, choose Manage Rules and Alerts. In the following window, press New Rule. In the Rules Wizard window, select Apply Rule on Messages I Receive, and press Next. In the next window, check Sent Only to Me, and where my name is in the To or CC box options. Then press Next. In the following window, check Forward it to People or Public Group. When it's done, click on People or Public Group. In the next window, select the email address where you want to redirect your messages and press To. If you need, you can add a few email addresses, and then press OK. In the Rules Wizard window, press Next. In the next window, if you don't need any exceptions to your rule, press Next again. In the following window, enter a name for your rule, and then press Finish. To launch the rule, press Apply, and then press OK. Leave comments and send your questions to our email. This was a HowTech TV tutorial. Thank you for watching.